So here's the motor. It's actually in really good shape. A little bit of white paint on the fuel tank, but I'm going to try to see if I can get that off. And the only thing is, it's hard to see, but the fuel shutoff valve, there's a little screw that goes in there and it prevents this from coming all the way out, and it's missing, but it should be easy to find a replacement to put in there, and then it shouldn't be a problem. I've cleaned it up, cleaned out the carb, tried to clean out the fuel tank. It comes with 2 pull ropes. This newer one. And the little shorter one. So we got it in the water, the fuel's on, the choke's on. I haven't tried starting it yet, but I don't have the right fuel mix in it, so it's going to be a little bit smoky.